Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. If you enjoy money making videos, affiliate marketing, app reviews, paid surveys, anything along those lines, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload new money making videos. Guys, in today's video we're talking about Money App, which is a very popular app on iOS and Android. So if you have an Android, you have an iPhone, you're good on both. And I want to give my honest opinion on this app. Now, this is a very simple app. You will basically do simple tasks on it that will earn you credits, and then you will cash out your credits into money. One thing I like about this is a lot of the other apps that I've reviewed have very long waiting periods, sometimes 4 to 5 days for your money to come. This one is just 2 days. That's 48 hours for your money to hit your bank account once you choose to cash out. Now, in terms of actually doing the offers, a lot of them are just doing surveys, watching videos, downloading things, very simple stuff. And a great thing about this app is they allow you to filter out the most highest paying offers they have. That way you're not wasting your time on things that only pay a couple pennies. That way you could actually filter out the things that pay what you're willing to take. And I think that's a really great thing. So you're not getting into an offer not knowing what you're going to get. You know ahead of time, hey, if I do this, I'm going to earn $3 or $2 or whatever the amount is. So I think that is a very good plus. It's definitely something I like to see from apps, and not a lot of apps do that, but this one does, so definitely a plus here. Now, in terms of reviews, you can see here on the App Store, it has 4.9 stars out of 5 and 50,000 ratings. Okay, so a lot of apps you have to look for, a lot of the more sketchy apps out there that can make you money, they won't have a lot of reviews, right? You'll check them, they'll have 5 stars, but there'll only be 5 people who reviewed it. If that's the case, then those could very well be manipulated votes, but 50,000 manipulated votes, I don't think so. Definitely a good portion of these are definitely legitimate, and you could go down to the comments. Again, there's certainly going to be some negative ones here, but there are some good ones as well. And the negative ones are usually something along the lines of, hey, there's a glitch or something like that, or an app problem or a bug, but not necessarily a problem with the idea of the app. Just maybe their device isn't working properly with it. Maybe they have an older iPhone. Who knows? So it has 4.9 out of 5 stars. It can make you money. You do simple stuff. Again, paid surveys. And they have a very fast cash payout system. Only 2 days. Again, other things they reviewed have much longer than that. Overall, guys, I would give this app a 3.5 out of 5 stars because it does have some nice features that other services have, but it's not going to be something that makes you rich overnight. It's not something that could probably even be a secondary source of income. It is just something that you could do in your spare time if you want to earn a couple extra bucks per day. But again, not something that you could consider. I wouldn't consider this a side gig. I would not consider this a side source of income. It's just something that you could do when you're bored if you want to make a couple bucks extra. Again, 3.5 out of 5 stars. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like.